Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Hope everyone is well today, guys. Today I am making some candy yams for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. This is a subscriber's request, guys, and I wanted to hurry up and get it done because I know the holidays are coming. Now what I did, guys, can you guys see this? I took this and I peeled it, and then I cut it into round circles. You don't want to have them too thick because you want the candy yam to get into there. So we're going to make this base up, guys, off of this now. And we're going to do it, and you're going to have the best yams for the holiday you ever had. All right, guys, we're getting ready to do it. All right. All right, guys, let me tell you what my ingredients are going to be. I'm going to use butter. I'm going to use vanilla extract. I have a little ground ginger. I have cinnamon, brown sugar, white sugar, and I'm going to use a little raw sugar. Those are my ingredients that I'm going to put onto my sweet potatoes, guys. You see it? And I got them all cut up and nice for you guys. All right, guys, let's take this to the stove, and you're going to see some greatness in this. Plenty of love is about to go into this that I'm about to make here. All right, guys, let's do it. All right, guys, we're going to go in with this butter. I'm going to go in with that stick of butter, and we're going to melt it down, okay? And just get that in there. And while that is going in, guys, I'll give you measurements inside of my bio, so you can go in and you'll see them. We're going to go in with some sugar, okay? So we're going to put that in there like that and get that going, okay? This is going to be the love of your sweet potatoes. Candy yams is what we called it as kids. Candy yams, guys. So you see that? That's your love. So we're letting all of that melt down. Guys, now I'm going in with my brown sugar, okay? I'm going to go in with the brown sugar now. You guys see that? You got a stick of butter in here. Your white sugar, now your brown sugar. I'm mixing all of mine in separate. That's how I was taught to do it. Okay? See that glaze coming up? That's love coming up in there for your yams, guys. Your candy yams. Let it all melt in there. Okay? Okay, now we got that like that. This is optional, guys, but I'm going in with a little bit of ginger. Just a little bit. You can use fresh ginger, or you can use the ground ginger. You want to put just a little bit in there. Okay? See how that love is coming together? Now we're going to go in with our vanilla. Okay, 2 caps of it. Got the vanilla in there. Now we're going in with some cinnamon. Okay, now we got our cinnamon in there. We're going to put all of that in there, guys. Check it out. Look at that. So this is going to be your base for your yams. Sweet potatoes, yams, whatever you guys call it. Southern thing here. Okay. All right. Now we got that all mixed up. Let it all come together with love, guys. Check it out. Look at that. While you're doing that, your oven should be on 350 preheating, guys. That's what you want your oven on. Okay, we're going to take this off and let it set for just about 3-4 minutes. And then I want to pour it into my yams. I'll be right back. Guys, now this has sat for about 2-3 minutes. Do you see what that looks like? Now watch what I'm about to do. I'm about to go in with just a little bit of water. Maybe about that much. Okay? And then I have some raw sugar here. I'm going to put just a little bit of raw sugar into that, like that. See that? And I'm going to take this and mix it all in together. This will be the best candy yams you ever had for the holidays, guys. You ever want. Okay? So I'm going to take this. The heat is off now. I mixed it in good. And I'm going to show you how to pour this over your yams. Your sweet candy yams, guys. Okay. You want to take this just like this. Get your helping hand because it's hot. And pour this over. Just like that. That's what you want. See that? That's going to be your love right there. All of this is going to go into there right there. You're going to check this in your 350 heat, guys. In about 10 minutes, you want to check this. Okay? All right, I'm going to put this in the oven, guys, and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm bringing it in. These been in the oven now for about 20 minutes. Now you see why I had it so thick and creamy, because these are cooking all of my potatoes up. My potatoes are just about ready. Let me get a fork, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I got my fork. Fork tender, basically is what that is. I'm going to let them go. Sorry about that, guys. Awesome. Actually, they're ready to go. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add lemon juice, but not to all of them because I don't know if my son will like them. But this is absolutely delicious. So what I want to tell you now at this point, you can get some allspice. And you can go on the top and put these back in. Or you can get your ginger. But I'm going in like this. This is how I do my yams. There's a lot of ways to make them. And I'm going to put these back in the oven. And these are going to cook for like another 30 minutes, guys. If you want them firm, you can actually let them go about 10. These are going back in the oven for about another 30 minutes, guys. And these, the love on this, the oil, excuse me, not the oil, guys. The juice on here is absolutely delicious. Okay, I'm going to put these back in the oven. Let them cook another 30 minutes just so that that juice can get in there. All that yams and the love can enter into my potatoes. My yams, my sweet potatoes. And I'm going to bring them out, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, guys. Check them out. Not too watery, not soupy, not mushy. Check them out. Absolutely awesome. I let them go for another 20 minutes in there, guys, and they're delicious. And I would like to say to 78 Sports TV, this is what you'll have. Shout out to you. I made these babies and they're awesome. Want you to follow this recipe the way I did it and you won't go wrong. This is hot, guys. This is hot. Cut off the middle. Mama baby, she did this. This is absolutely delicious, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Come in there, cameraman. Get all the way in there. Give me a comment. Subscribe, guys. And I need you guys to give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will recognize this video. I want to put it in my mouth, but it's so hot, guys. But these are absolutely awesome. And you guys will love it. Thank you, guys. Oh my God, guys. This is delicious. You gotta try this recipe. Voila! Bye-bye.